Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel City Learner. In previous video, we discussed about how to find out the trigonometric functions for 0 degree. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to find out the trigonometric functions for 90 degree. Let's take a right angle triangle ABC, where angle B is 90 degree. To find out the trigonometric functions for 90 degree, we have to shift the point C to point B. So, say in the diagram, this is point A, this is point B, and this is C. And if we shift the point C to B position, C is coming to here, and in that condition AB and AC will be equal because it will become the same line, and BC line it will become 0. So in that condition, angle B and angle C, both angle will become 90 degree. So here we already found the angle B, angle C is equal to 90 degree, BC is equal to 0, and AB and AC line will be equal. So here AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side, and AC is the hypotenuse. So in that condition, if we apply the trigonometric functions, therefore sine 90 degree is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. AB is equal to AC, so AB by AB is equal to AB cancel, it will become 1. Cos 90 degree. In case of the cos 90 degree, it will become adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. BC is equal to 0 and AC it will become 0. 0 by AC is equal to 0. Tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. BC again it is 0. So it will become not defined or infinity. Cot 90 degree. Cot 90 degree is, it is the reciprocal of tan 90 degree, that is BC by AB. BC is equal to 0 and AB it will become 0. Then after sec 90 degree. Sec 90 degree is equal to reciprocal of cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree 1 by 0 is equal to not defined. Then after the cosec 90 degree. Cosec 90 degree is equal to reciprocal of sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So these are the trigonometric functions for 90 degree. Thank you.